Hello, my dear students. I, Harsh Rathore, Assistant Professor, Sage University Bhopal. Today, I am going to discuss with you on course Environment Studies and Disaster Management on topic ecosystem. So let's start. Ecosystem. Different type of ecosystem of biosphere categorized as natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystem. Natural ecosystem further classified as land ecosystem and aquatic ecosystems. Under land ecosystems, there are forest ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, desert ecosystem. Under aquatic ecosystems, there are pond ecosystems, oceans ecosystems, and estuaries ecosystems. Natural ecosystems operate by themselves under natural conditions without any major interference by man based upon the particular kind of habitat. These are further divided as terrestrial, as a forest, grassland, desert, etc. Aquatic, which may be further distinguished as freshwater. Freshwater may be either lotic or lantic. Lotic means running water has a spring, stream, river, or lentic means standing water has lake, ponds, pool, ditch, etc. Even marine ecosystems has an oceans or shallow one like sea, etc. Artificial ecosystems are those ecosystems which are maintained by man whereby additions of energy and plant manipulations. Natural balance is disturbed regularly. For example, cropland like maize, wheat, rice field, etc., where man tries to control the biotic community. Marine ecosystems, pond ecosystems, a pond has a whole serve a good example of freshwater ecosystems. The component of ponds ecosystems either evoitic component or viotic components. The evoitic components include heat, light, pH of water, carbon dioxide, oxygen, calcium, nitrogen, phosphates, etc. And biotic components includes organizations that constitute the biotic component are as follow. Producers, these are green plants and some photosynthetic bacteria. They produce fixed radiant energy and convert it into organic substances as carbohydrates, protein, etc. Ponds ecosystems producers are of following type: macrophytes. These are large rooted plants which include partially or completely submerged hydrophytes. Phytoplanktons, these are minute floatings or submerged lower plants, that is algae. Consumers of pond ecosystems, they are heterotrophs which depend for their nutrients on the organic food manufactured by producers. Primary consumers of ponds ecosystems, bentos and zooplanktons. Bentos are animal associated with living plants, detrivorous and some other microorganisms. Zooplanktons, these are chiefly rotifers, protozoans. They feeds on phytoplanktons. Secondary consumers, they are carnivorous which feed on herbivores. They are chiefly insects, fish, and most insects and water wetlands. Tertiary consumers, these are some large fish like game fish, turtles, which feeds on small fishes. Decomposers, they are also known as micro-consumers. They decompose dead organic matter of both producers and animal to simple form. Thus, they play an important role in return of minerals again to the pond ecosystems. They are chiefly bacteria and fungi. These are the pictorial descriptions of pond ecosystems. Here we see producers, plants. This from plants, energy is being transferred or in secondary consumers, from secondary consumers to tertiary consumers, and then decomposers. So these are the pictorial descriptions of pond ecosystem. Oceans ecosystems. Ocean ecosystems are more stable than pond ecosystems because they occupy 70% of Earth's surface. Abiotic component of ocean ecosystems are dissolved oxygen, light, temperatures, minerals. Biotic components of ocean ecosystems. One first is producers. These are autotrophs and also non-primary producers. They are mainly some microscopic algae. Besides them, they are mainly seaweeds as a brown and red algae also contribute to the primary productions. Another biotic components of oceans ecosystems is consumer. They all are heterotropics, macro consumers, primary consumers, the herbivores that feed on producers are shrimps, fish, etc. Secondary consumers, these are carnivorous fish as herring, set, mackerel feeding on herbivores. Tertiary consumers, these include other carnivorous fish like COD, halibut, sea turtle, shark, etc. Decomposes, the microbes' activity in decay of dead organic matter of producers and animals are chiefly bacteria and some fungi. Here is the pictorial descriptions of oceans ecosystems, one cell life. Then this is from shrimp like creatures, from small fish, mackerels, tuna, then large fish. Riverine ecosystems. The producers of riverine ecosystems are the chief producers that remain permanently attached to firm substrata are clean algae, has cladophora and aquatic mosses. Consumers of riverine ecosystems, the consumer shows certain feature has permanent attachment to firm substrata, presence of hook and suckers, strictly undersurface streamlined bodies, flattened bodies. Thus, a variety of animal are found, which are fresh, spongy, and caddies, etc. Decomposers, berries, bacteria, and fungi like and actinomycetes are present, which act as decomposers. These are the species in riverine ecosystems. So that's it. I hope you like this video. We'll meet you soon.